Yo, what's up everybody? It's Brandon. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of smart irrigation controllers. You know, those little devices that promise to keep your lawn lush and green while saving you water and money. Sounds like a win-win, right? Well, like any piece of tech, there are definitely some things to consider before you buy. We're going to break down the pros and cons of the top models on the market so you can decide if making the switch to a smart sprinkler system is right for you. Let's get into it. First up, we're checking out the Rachio 3. This smart irrigation controller has been making waves in the market for its innovative features and user-friendly design. Now, this one's been around for a minute, and it's known for its super slick, easy-to-use app. The app interface is intuitive, making it a breeze to navigate through various settings and options. Seriously, even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll be able to set up custom watering schedules in no time. The app guides you step by step, ensuring that you can tailor the watering schedule to suit your lawn's specific needs. Plus, it's got this thing called Weather Intelligence Plus, which basically uses real-time weather data to adjust your watering schedule automatically. This means the system takes into account local weather forecasts, seasonal changes, and even the type of soil in your garden. So, if it's supposed to rain, Rachio will hold off on watering your lawn, which saves you water and money. Pretty smart, right? This feature is particularly useful in regions with unpredictable weather patterns, ensuring that your lawn gets just the right amount of water. But, and you knew there was a but coming, some users have reported connectivity issues with the Rachio 3. These issues can be quite frustrating, especially when you're relying on the system to keep your lawn healthy. It relies on a strong Wi-Fi signal, so if your router is in your basement and your sprinkler system is way out in the backyard, you might run into some problems. The distance and obstacles between the router and the device can weaken the signal, leading to intermittent connectivity. To mitigate these issues, some users have resorted to troubleshooting their Wi-Fi setup. This might involve moving the router closer to the backyard or setting up a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal strength. While these solutions can help, they do add an extra layer of complexity to the setup process. When the connection is stable, the Rachio 3 performs exceptionally well, delivering on its promise of smart, efficient irrigation. Users have praised its ability to maintain a lush green lawn with minimal effort. The app also provides notifications and updates, keeping you informed about your watering schedule and any adjustments made due to weather conditions. It even tracks your water usage, helping you understand how much water you're saving over time. Overall, the Rachio 3 has received mixed reviews. While many users appreciate its smart features and ease of use, the connectivity issues have been a significant drawback for some. It's important to consider your home's Wi-Fi setup before investing in this device. In conclusion, the Rachio 3 is a powerful tool for anyone looking to automate their lawn care. Its user-friendly app and intelligent features make it a standout choice, but be prepared to address potential connectivity challenges to get the most out of this smart irrigation system. Next up is the B-hyve, a smart irrigation controller that's been making waves in the market. This one's a bit more budget-friendly than the Rachio, making it an attractive option for those looking to save some money without compromising too much on functionality. But don't let the lower price fool you. The B-hyve is still packing some serious features that can compete with the more expensive models on the market. One of the standout features of the B-hyve is its ease of installation. Even if you're not exactly a DIY expert, you'll find the setup process to be straightforward and hassle-free. The accompanying app, while not quite as polished as Rachio's, is still pretty straightforward to use. It offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to control your irrigation system with ease. You can create custom schedules tailored to your garden's needs, ensuring that your plants get the right amount of water at the right times. One of the more advanced features is the ability to set the system to water based on the weather forecast. This means the B-hyve can adjust its watering schedule automatically, saving water and ensuring your plants are not overwatered. Additionally, you can control the B-hyve with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant. This hands-free control adds a layer of convenience, especially when you're busy with other tasks. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There have been some reports of the app being a bit glitchy at times, which can be frustrating for users. Some users have experienced issues like schedules not saving properly or the app randomly disconnecting. These glitches can be a significant inconvenience, especially if you're relying on the system to maintain your garden. Hopefully, Orbit can iron out these bugs with some software updates. Regular updates and improvements can go a long way in enhancing the user experience and making the B-hyve a more reliable choice. Despite these issues, the Orbit B-hyve remains a strong contender in the smart irrigation market. Its combination of affordability, ease of use, and advanced features make it a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their garden's watering system. In conclusion, if you're willing to deal with a few potential hiccups, the Orbit B-hyve offers a lot of value for its price. It's a great way to bring smart technology into your garden without breaking the bank. Now, if you're looking for a more premium experience, something that stands out not just in functionality, but also in design and user experience, and you don't mind shelling out a few extra bucks, then you might want to consider investing in a top-tier smart irrigation controller. The Rain Machine Touch HD12 might be right up your alley. This device is not just another irrigation controller. It's a sophisticated piece of technology designed to make your gardening experience as seamless and efficient as possible. This thing is a beast, packed with features that justify its premium price tag. One of the standout features is its full-color touchscreen display. This isn't just for show. It gives you complete control over your irrigation system, allowing you to easily navigate through various settings and options. One of the coolest things about the Rain Machine is that it can operate offline. This means that even if your internet goes down, your irrigation schedule won't be affected. It stores all your watering data locally, ensuring that your plants get the care they need regardless of your Wi-Fi status, so you don't have to worry about your system going down if your Wi-Fi goes out. This feature alone can provide peace of mind, especially for those who live in areas with unreliable internet service. Plus, it's got some advanced features like flow sensing and leak detection. These features are not just fancy add-ons. They can actually save you a ton of money in the long run by preventing water waste and identifying issues before they become major problems. Imagine being able to detect a leak in your irrigation system before it causes significant damage or results in a sky-high water bill. The Rain Machine makes this possible, adding another layer of efficiency and cost-effectiveness to your gardening routine. The downside? Well, that premium price tag might be a deal-breaker for some. It's definitely an investment, and not everyone will be willing or able to make that financial commitment. However, if you're serious about your garden and want the best tools to maintain it, the Rain Machine Touch HD12 offers a range of features that can make your life easier and your garden healthier. It's all about weighing the pros and cons and deciding what's most important for you and your gardening needs. In the end, a premium price often comes with premium features, and the Rain Machine Touch HD12 is a perfect example of this. It offers advanced technology, user-friendly design, and practical features that can make a real difference in your gardening experience. So, if you're ready to take your garden to the next level and don't mind the investment, the Rain Machine Touch HD12 might just be the perfect addition to your gardening toolkit. The Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controller is all about using AI to optimize your watering schedule. It takes into account things like your plant type, soil type, and local weather conditions to create a custom watering plan that's designed to save you water and keep your lawn healthy. It's also one of the more eco-friendly options out there, with features like EPA WaterSense certification and the ability to earn rebates from some water companies. However, one area where Rachio seems to be lacking is customer support. There have been quite a few complaints online about slow response times and unhelpful customer service reps. Last but not least, we have the Hunter HydroWise. This one's a bit more on the complex side, but it's packed with features that tech-savvy homeowners will love. It integrates seamlessly with other smart home systems like Control4 and CrestRun, so you can control your sprinklers alongside your lights, thermostat, and more. It also has some of the most advanced reporting and monitoring features of any controller on the market. You can track your water usage down to the gallon, set up alerts for things like leaks or high flow, and even view your watering history from anywhere in the world. That being said, if you're not comfortable tinkering with settings and troubleshooting tech issues, the HydroWise might be a bit overwhelming. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground today. From user-friendly apps to advanced AI features, there's definitely a smart irrigation controller out there for everyone. The best one for you really depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for something that's easy to use and has great weather intelligence, the Rachio 3 is a solid choice. If you're on a tight budget, the Orbit B-hyve is a great value for the price. And if you want the absolute best of the best, the Rain Machine Touch HD 12 and Hunter Hydrowise are worth checking out.